In this legal vision, I would like to talk about the pendency of the cases, that is, the structural issues. It's a word by new Chief Justice, the Justice that's also Surya Gam, who has delivered the address. He has said it is the pendency of the cases due to structural issues. He talk about structural means in the procedure in the following courts, in the trial courts, high court, supreme court, and also the infrastructure problems. He basically demands the involvement of the government, whether it's a central or state government, in collaboration with the judiciary. The governments have to do more things in the infrastructure matter, in the procedure also, to pass and cause these pendency of the cases. Nearly 6 crores cases are pending in the trial courts of India, high courts, and Supreme Court. And it is not any easy. That's also to solve all the cases as early as possible. He says a different notes and everything. Every chief judges, whenever the also they take oath as a supreme judges or Supreme Court as also chief judges, as the administrator of the judiciary, they come to conclusion to find the pendency of the cases, which are in large scales. So, due to pendency of the cases in all levels, the trial courts, high courts, and Supreme Court, the problems are lot because justice are delayed. Justice delayed is denied. It's one word, and whatever may be, delivering justice is a major part of the judiciary. So the judiciary, in collaboration with the governments and the executives and the legislative, also have to function and have to deliver the best performance of the justice. It is necessary. But in the pendency of this also will cause the more damages to the justice. That is the problem. How the pendency can be thus also solved and can be tried. It, the functional thus also and dependency has to be thus also passed through the structural matters. Structural means in the infrastructures and everything. In various states, the trial courts are not constructed. Despite funds are allotted, more courts without the infrastructures are functioning. Those problems have to be solved, and these problems have to be addressed in proper perspective, so that only the problems can be solved. The pendency can be spread up. Even there's also 30 years case also pending in the trial courts, and those cases have to be solved. But when the speeds are applied in the solving or disposing the cases, justice may be also denied. It is on the other point. And without collection of the other sounds and the evidence other thing in the trial courts, the cases can't be solved. So in the judiciary, maximum has to find the result or for solving the sounds on the pendency. Pendency is causing the troubles. That is necessary. So each and every chief judges, whenever they take over in the position, automatically they say the sounds of these words. But let these words be words. These have to be solved. The problems have to be solved so that only the structural issues can be addressed. That is necessary. It is the biggest word, structural issue. The structural issue the word has come from a current chief justice of India, Mr. Surya Khan, Justice Surya Khan. So it has to be solved as early as possible. Let's cooperate with the judiciary to solve it.